5 years ago, I had less than $100 in my savings account. Seriously. The very idea of investing in stocks was terrifying. All I could picture were those confusing charts and guys in suits screaming on a trading floor. I was sure I'd lose every penny. But what if I told you that going from that place of pure fear to feeling like a confident investor just took a few simple, step-by-step guides that anyone can follow? In this video, I'm not just sharing my story. I'm giving you the financial playbook I wish someone had handed me when I started. The problem and amp, my turning point. I can still feel that knot in my stomach when I think about how overwhelmed I was. Every article I read or video I watched was packed with jargon. Words like expense ratios, PE, and diversification felt like a secret code designed to keep regular people out. And that's the big problem, right? So many beginners are so intimidated by the complexity that they just don't start. They leave their money in a savings account where it's losing a fight against inflation and actually losing its value over time. My turning point wasn't some magic stock tip or a lucky break. It was realizing I was asking all the wrong questions. I was hunting for a secret formula, a guaranteed home run. But the truth is, successful long-term investing isn't about finding a needle in a haystack. It's about having a clear, simple plan and sticking to it. It's about understanding a few key ideas that manage your risk and let your money do the heavy lifting for you. Once that clicked, the fear started to fade and I actually started feeling confident. I went from being scared of losing money to being excited about building real, long-term wealth. The solution, my mission for you, that whole journey from broke and confused to confident and in control, is the entire reason I created this channel. My mission is to hand you that simple, step-by-step financial playbook I desperately needed back then. If you've ever felt like investing is just too complicated, this channel is for you. Here we break it all down into plain English. We'll start with the absolute basics, like how to open an investment account and what to do on day one. We're going to demystify the stock market, explaining what stocks, bonds, and ETFs actually are, and how they work together to create a solid portfolio. I'll show you that you don't need a pile of cash to get started. You can begin with a small, manageable amount and build from there. We focus on proven, long-term strategies, not those get-rich-quick schemes that blow up in your face. You'll learn about simple but powerful concepts like dollar-cost averaging, which lets you invest consistently without stressing about timing the market. We'll explore index funds and ETFs, fantastic tools for beginners that give you instant diversification, so you don't have to become a stock-picking genius overnight. And this isn't just theory. I'll literally share my screen and walk you through how to research a company or buy your very first ETF. My promise is to give you actionable advice you can use right away to kickstart your own investing journey. A glimpse of what's coming. This video is just the beginning. To give you a taste of what's in the playbook, here's what's coming up in the next few weeks. You can expect clear how to start investing in stock market. The only 3 ETFs you need to know, where we'll look at simple funds to build a powerful portfolio. We'll have a guide on how to analyze a stock in 5 minutes, giving you a quick checklist for making smarter choices. We'll also cover essentials like setting up your first high-yield savings account and how much should you actually be saving versus investing. Every video is a new chapter in your guide to financial confidence. We'll tackle everything from building an emergency fund to understanding taxes on your investments, the whole package. Look, the world of finance can feel like it was built to be confusing, but it doesn't have to be. You absolutely have the power to take control of your financial future, and it all begins with that first step. The most important thing you can do is simply start. If you're ready to stop feeling intimidated and start building your wealth with a clear, step-by-step plan, then you're in the right place. Subscribe to the channel now and hit that notification bell so you don't miss the first official chapter of our playbook. This isn't just a channel, it's a community where we're all learning and growing together. I'm genuinely excited to share what I've learned, and help you skip the mistakes I made along the way. Thanks for being here. Let's start this journey together.